We start the first day of February with high pressure to the southwest of the United Kingdom and Ireland and low pressure to the north of Scotland. And we see that there are tightly packed isobars for much of us, particularly from the Midlands upwards to further north. And the further north you go, the stronger the winds, and the Met Office has wind warnings out, yellow weather warnings, for gales force gusts and potentially severe gale force gusts in places such as coastal areas. So please be aware of this on the 1st of February. Weather should be quite average for this time of the year, certainly not as cold as we were seeing during the middle part of January and that very cold spell during last December. Then we have a warm front moving up, and this is overnight tonight on the first day of February. The winds lessen in Northern Isles, and temperatures should rise up a little bit across many places. So we're expecting above average temperatures now for this. Temperatures will also be above average for Candlemas Day, and there could be some bright spells to the southwest, southern Ireland, southern Wales, and central and southern parts of Britain. So feeling not bad, above average temperatures. This will also be reaching much of Scotland by tomorrow. Breeze is also quite moderate, a bit more brisk in the western parts, especially northwestern parts such as Northern Ireland. Winds will also again pick up again late on Candlemas Eve. We see some weaving fronts approaching Scotland, and these will bring some rain with them. Then we have two fairly short in span cold fronts, but will bring cooler conditions to much of Scotland on the 3rd of February, with brisk winds on the eastern coast, northeastern coasts, and in southern areas, sunny, bright intervals, but wherever you are, it be breezy, with some rain in northwestern parts. Then we go into the 3rd of February late, and we have another warm front moving around western parts of Ireland and northwestern and western Scotland. Quite bright to the south and the southwest, with lesser breezes here. High pressure remains to the south of the United Kingdom, and it will be bright and quite sunny, particularly in the Channel Islands, south coast of England, southern Wales, possibly reaching into the Midlands of England and East Anglia. Above average temperatures here as well because of the warm front which would have moved through earlier. Breezy in the northwest of Scotland and possibly Northern Ireland. Brisk winds again as we move in later on the 4th of February. And we have two areas of high pressure, and behind this you'll see well out towards Greenland and Newfoundland extremely strong winds, but this is way off yet. It may not reach the United Kingdom. So far on the 4th of Saturday the 4th of February, we're expecting largely dry conditions in the south and east, perhaps more rain crossing Ireland and Scotland, with breezy conditions further north. Pleasant in the south, again temperatures above average, and it will be quite bright.